Good morning, everyone. All right, so this morning I'm going to show you some video clips of the land which we've purchased, the lots and the areas and the fields. So we have two, so you're going to be seeing two different lots. And you're going to see it is what it is. You're just going to see the land that we purchased. We are now hiring the tractors to begin the sowing to get ready. We are now in the beginning of the winter season, so we're getting ready to get the latter rains here from the winter. And I just hope you all just enjoy some of these clips. It'll be very short. The first clip you'll see is of the flat land where there's nothing that has to be plowed up, but the soil is already saturated and ready for plowing. The next one you'll see is the grove or the field with you have orange trees, you have the hibiscus or the hobeza plant, which is the wild greens that we eat here in the land. And it's just I just want you all to enjoy the journey, all right? This is the space. We're on the road in. It's got good water here. Enjoying the fruit of the land. This is another lot that we are looking at and getting. And I'm taking oranges. These are like grapefruits. Trees already here. There's Sheikh Aid. I'm following him. Going to see this next lot we're taking. Water lines.
The peak.
Yeah.
The peak.
There's an orange grove. And this is another orange grove. It's not kept, but we're taking it. There you can see another one. It's been kept a little bit better. This here's an olive field. And just for my own memory, we'll be growing shibboleth. And there's my sheikh. He's gathering up some wild greens. We're gonna be eating these tonight. They're delicious. See, the trees are heavy with fruit. Fruit is ripe. These are oranges. They call them clementines. So, after having a bunch of meetings, signing some paperwork, I'm here with, of course, Sheikh Aid, and we brought our elder brother, Salson's brother, and we're here. And I know this looks crazy, right? But the unkept land grows, there's some natural herbs that grows from the land, and they do this intentionally, and they call it hobeza. And it's a natural green herb fortified with nutrients and essential vitamins that you can only get one time in the year when the rains come naturally. So we're harvesting them free. Why? Because we got this land now, so we're coming to collect some hobeza. All right. That's my experience for today. I'm getting ready to go back. I'm not leaving. I have to pull the car around and put all this stuff in the truck. Well, in the trunk, or the boot, as you guys say. And that's today's experience.